So right now, these are suggestions on what to watch on Netflix. The first thing that I generally recommend is that you update whatever there is to update. Remember, this is a smart TV, it uses the internet, so it's got firmwares, it's got software that needs to be updated. So that's the first thing I'm going to recommend. How are we going to do this? You can go directly to About. This is where you're going to update your TV. You go. And that's system information, net ready information, software update. So if I want to update the software, I can update it using a USB stick, so with the correct upgrade file. And internet update check, net ready software update, new version is available, update now, yes. New software is being installed into your device, please do not interrupt it, your device will reboot in a few minutes. And the total is 213 MB. So update is almost ready. Upgrading software, please do not turn off. That is very important. Most of us might see that blue screen and then we get scared. Instead of doing some crazy stuff, please do not turn off. So upgrade is ready, it's done. And you can see right here, we're looking at the blue sensor here. That means that your television itself, and you have to turn it back on. The other thing is you have the end user license agreement. You can view it, accept it. System information is basically information about your TV. This television works on quad-core CPU, frequency 1.1 gigahertz, model RAM, it's not even up to 1 gigs of RAM. And ROM, internal memory, is 4 gigs only. Net ready information, module, software version, internet update check. My TV right now is up to date. You can either leave here, go and configure or set up whatever the next process is, or you can come here on your control and see this button here, you press it, and then you can easily change whatever you want to change from here directly without having to leave this. So programming, you can come here directly. If you want auto tuning, you come here and then tuning mode and you start. Let's give it a couple of seconds to look for the channels. It's gonna tune cable TV and it's also gonna tune Air TV. That's if you're on analog. So it's not finding any channels. Air TV 0, Air DTV 0, Cable TV 0. One of the problems is where I am, we have problems with TV signals. So you can also come to Atv Manual Tuning and you can do that manually. We're not going to do it. So go back to program, you're going to use a password and lock your system. And then here in settings, you can change the language. Remember, it comes in English, Spanish, Portuguese, and French. Only those 4 languages. OSD time, you can also change it. The link setup time, if you come here, you just have to choose where it is you're located. I'm located in Caracas, so that's what I'm using. You can sleep timer on or off also. You can reset the whole system or basically format everything, and caption on or off. Here you can change the sound if you want standard, music, movie, sport, user. In user mode, you're gonna put your input, you're gonna set everything yourself. I'm gonna leave it there in standard. Balance, you can change that. Surround, sound, I don't have a surround system, so I'm just gonna leave it as it is. Digital output type, audio delay. In some cases, depending on the format, we might have that, so you can correct that from here. And finally, pictures. So the picture, you've got standard, movie, user. Remember, user, you can change it yourself. It's manual. Dynamic, standard, and I'm gonna leave it there in standard. And then the backlight, you can also adjust it. Color temperature, you have standard, warm, cool, standard. I'm gonna leave it here in standard. And then the aspect ratio also 16:9 or 4:3. You only have those two options, so I'm just going to leave it there in 16:9. Noise reduction, you can also do that. So that's all about the settings, how you can set up your system internally. Finally, we're going to talk about all the different inputs that this TV has. You've got Air TV, you've got input for cable TV. We saw it when we did unboxing. AV input also, 2 HDMI ports. And finally, you've also got 2 USB ports. So this is the last thing that we're going to try out. We just inserted the flash drive. So we're going to go with here, and that's it. Remember, it has 2 USB ports. What I would like to know is how to check the format of the videos that it can read. Let's check out this one. This is pretty nice. The screen resolution is excellent. I love this part here. You have the playlist. And here, let's go to settings. So we have audio. You can choose the audio, English or Spanish, subtitles, and repeat sequence. This television offers the most basic for a TV. Find and play videos, movies, television programs, movies, and other content from the web, from a cable or satellite television channel, or from a local hosting device. Would I recommend this? I would recommend this. I hope this video was helpful and gave you enough information about the Vizzion 32-inch Smart TV. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And don't forget to give us a like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button to get notified when we upload new videos. Ciao, ciao.